Hello all. Today we are going to talk about uh, like the thing which is going very much viral on the YouTube, coding with White Hat Junior. Okay, so coding with White Hat Junior is really a biggest mistake. Okay, because so many things are coming up. बहुत सारी बातें हो रही है about the product, about the things. Teacher done a mistake in the class, right? So like many things are you can see this on YouTube. uh, it's given by one of the popular YouTuber. Okay, you can see the views and when it was released. Okay, and people are really just they like talking about this. And this is the person like who come up with the videos and टेलीफोन रिकॉर्डिंग्स उसने सारा कुछ रिकॉर्ड किया हुआ है टेलीफोन वॉइस है वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग है लाइक हाउ द वाइट हैट जूनियर कंडक्टिंग द सेशंस किस तरह से वो लोग क्लास लेते हैं सारी चीज़ें वहाँ पर हैं और भी इसके अलावा है और बहुत सारे यूट्यूबर्स हैं इसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं लाइक वाइट हैट जूनियर ने ये स्कैम किया उन्होंने फ्रॉड किया वॉट एवर सो मेनी थिंग्स बाय सो मेनी यूट्यूबर्स ओके और here again you can see white hat junior exposed by another YouTuber. He also published on 8th December and this many viewers. So what exactly is it really a biggest scam? Okay, because the thing is like one teacher I mean it's been asked like what is cloud, so that question got I think viral and that was not answered properly. इसका आंसर सही तरीके से नहीं दिया गया. And one more question was asked. You can find here on all this. Okay, you can find all the videos here, all the recording during the class, what went wrong with the proofs. Okay, so that was during one session, live session. Generally, they conduct a session of maybe 45 minutes and maybe 1 hour. During that time, teacher tries to give the best and tries to enroll the student, right? There is too much pressure on the teacher also. Even there is too much pressure on the the team which is working for the enrollments and all sales team, तो उनके ऊपर भी काफ़ी pressure होता है. So the actually the mistake was done by the teacher that she gave some information which was not the exact correct. That was wrong information because cloud is in air, cloud गीला होगा या नहीं होगा, such questions were asked in during the class. So that happened I think due to loss of pressure to make the enrollments. And even it was very discussion was happening like cross questioning and so many questions being asked to teacher by parents. So I don't know what exactly was that. Okay, so you also can write the comments, but I think viral YouTube videos says a lot. Okay, so this is the story what happened on the YouTube and still is going on. Okay, and now let's see who is Karan Bajaj. Karan Bajaj is an Indian technology entrepreneur and author. He is best known as founder and CEO of the tech company White Hat Junior, which was acquired by Byju's in 2020. Bajaj is author of three contemporary novels. Okay, so this is some information of the person who is behind the uh, Whitehead Junior. Okay, so he created the concepts of coding and all. The concept was good, right? Concept of coding is good. Like what age should be given, that is a question mark. Okay, but the concept of code and the coding was good. But what age should be given, that is still a question. Okay, because the people who are into software development, like who enter into software development generally after btech b or BSc IT or BSc CS, right? So this is the entry point from where the people they enter into IT industry. So is it really advisable to teach the coding at the age of 6 year or 7 years or 10 years, 12 years, something like that? Okay, because it's a kind of foundation. Like people do IIT, they crack for the IITG and also they keep on doing preparation from such as small age. Okay, around 8th and 9th they start for preparing for IITG, and how many of them crack the IITG? There's also question mark. Like cricketer also they start practicing from such a small age. Singers, dancer, actors, they learn the things from such a small age. So is it really wrong thing to learn the coding at such a small age, right? So this concept was with the good intention, but something went wrong. Okay, something went wrong, became viral on YouTube, and this concept slowly I think getting diminished, but the coding is still there and it'll be there. Okay, so here some of the classes what I have got to see there on the YouTube itself, jahan pe I've just seen all the session throughout. So it was like very much hard work put by the team, very much hard work done by the teacher also. Even here you can see the small kid, she's enjoying the class. I don't know which grade she is, but she's very small I think, and she has got some white hat junior ka certificate also. So this was live thing which I just got to see on the here on the YouTube, and many more are there. This is also one of the live class. You can just check it out. This is also there available. So these are some of the examples of the classes. And they have given the positive feedback. Again, there is a question: how much authenticate it is? Is it really correct, or it is the things are done properly? But I feel that is done properly. The teacher was there, she was taking the class, she gave her 100%. Even the class was quite interactive. The same way I got to see one more. This was taken on the JavaScript. Before this, the earlier was on Junior Scratch. Okay, so the people who know all this technology, who are really into the development or who are related with the software and technology, they'll understand exactly what is JavaScript and Java and Junior Scratch and so many more programming languages or the website or the things like that. Okay, and in that viral thing, one more question was there: what is difference with JavaScript and Java? So that is also, there's a question mark why the answer was given in that way. Really, that video was in a continuous manner. Okay, so lot many questions are there, because if you go through this session, so this was the perfect session. Even before this, one session was there, that was also the in a perfect way. Okay, so it's like the pressurized situation which was there during the session maybe. Okay, so this is how the white hat junior things are getting viral, and questions and answers, so many things are there. Okay, so this is how they will use the junior scratch software to teach their technology. Even they use a P5 platform to take the demo session on for the senior kids. This is for the junior one. Before this, that was for the senior kids. So this is how so many things are up there on the YouTube about the white hat. Okay, few things are in the opposite of that, and few things are in support of white hat. So this is how the things. Okay, but here the questions still remain: what is the correct age to learn the coding and to teach the coding to small kids? Okay, you can write your comments and just update like what is the correct age to learn the software. Okay, and thanks a lot. Okay, bye.